Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty had a very strong session yesterday. It was up almost 200 points at one point in time, within the striking distance of previous lifetime high. Uh, Witnessed a minor profit booking of 50 points towards the end of trading session. With this, Nifty has comfortably closed about 26,000, and as I discussed in the call yesterday and day before, the more the time Nifty spends about 26,000, the greater the chances are that short covering can be seen by call writers at 26,000 strike. And our recommendation of buying Nifty about 26,020 for 26,200, that also was seen getting achieved. However, US markets did not have the same fate. They started on a very strong note. They were up 1.5%, 1.7% at one point in time. Towards the trading session, however, it got completely washed out and it closed in the low point of the day around 1.5% lower. So almost 3% fall in US market from intraday top yesterday. Interestingly, GIFT Nifty is not showing that kind of pressure. It is showing 40 points cut as we speak. Let us see if indeed Nifty does not see that much of correction. Probably will make a new high today. There are two interesting things. One, the reason behind this can be the higher chances of a trade deal in a very short period of time, and maybe that is being discounted and Nifty is not correcting because of that. Secondly, the interesting aspect is we are not seeing participation from broader market at all. Rather, the more the Nifty is going higher, the bigger the fall we are witnessing in stocks. Good setups are being failed. There are volume participation that is being washed out again. So there is a lot of difference, lot of divergence between the performance of Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. As compared to broader market. Bank Nifty was also not seen performing yesterday. For major part, it was trading in red. When Nifty was up 100 points, Bank Nifty was still down on a minor amount, but nevertheless, it was still down. And towards the trading session, that also witnessed the absolute same amount of upside in absolute terms compared to Nifty. But in terms of percentage, it should have been much better. And the reason why Nifty failed to cross lifetime high was the Bank Nifty not performing that well. Let us see how that pans out. The Renko charts, even at the current juncture, look interesting. Let us see if we see a minor pullback and again a swing high being made, or whether we see some major fall sort of coming in. 26,000 remains a pivotal point to talk about on a very immediate basis. Any dip towards 26,000 spot can be bought into, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 26,200, 26,300 levels. I don't see a trade beyond that. Let us be a bit careful about what to buy, when to buy. Uh, be very light in your positions for broader market because that is just not doing well. As I said, multiple breakouts. Even our recommendations are triggering stop losses when the breakouts have been very strong. Textbook patterns are getting failed. So in such times, it is always better to recalculate and what to buy and reduce the buying quantity, the intensity, the aggression. Long term, the trend remains intact. For somebody who wants to have long term, even at the current juncture, you are getting a sweeter deal. The long term setups, if they are at support or there are long term breakouts, if you get 5% lower, it will only make your position that much more lucrative. So nothing problematic in long term. For short term, be a little bit careful. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.